Hello there. My name is Wu Xingjian, and the serial number is 1457584. I'm doing assignment 1 of Network Architecture and Protocols. I will implement a VoIP service over WAN connection in a virtual environment. First, I will introduce the tools I will use. Virtual machine, I choose VirtualBox to run PBX and soft phone. And second, I choose FreePBX to build a phone system, and it's open source and free. And the soft phone, I choose Zoiber, and this assignment requests all software run on Linux, so we need to download this one. And Zoiber just a software, so I use Ubuntu to run it. In order to save time, I have downloaded their software. Okay, let's start this assignment. To implement a VoIP service, you need at least 2 PBX. So I will create 4 virtual machines, 2 for FreePBX and 2 for Zoiber. Okay, first we give a name, PBX1, and choose a folder to save. Okay, next. And start. Show the image file I downloaded before. Okay, start. Then we create a second. PBX2. Okay, when install, set the password first. And the second one. Yeah, we set the same password. And wait to install. Okay, it's done, and I click reboot. Then we close the virtual machine. I open the setting, remove the image file, and change the network adapter to host only, and restart. Okay. The username is root and the password. Sorry. Second one. Okay, both virtual machines are configured, and then we add this IP address to browser. At first, we set the account, username, and password. Confirm the email address. Then we set up system and the user account to log in. Second one. And we choose the language, English. Submit. The second, we need to set up the firewall. And also you can click about to quit. Yes. Yes. Okay, it's done. And when we go back to virtual machine, it remind us firewall service now starting. Okay, then before we add to the trunk, we need to set the extension first. Add the extension and choose PGC. First is extension number is to dial to reach this user. I give 100 and display name. Okay, change the password. And this one. Okay, then do submit. And apply configure. Do the same operation for the second one. Extension PGC. And this extension number will give 200. And the same display name, password. And we submit. And in a second, we can go to trunks. Add the trunk, also PGC trunk. Give a name VPX1, and the outbound caller ID can use the same. And we'll give the second one IP address to here. Okay, submit. Apply. Trunk. This one is free PBX2. give the second one IP address here. Okay, submit. Right. And the last step is outbound route. And the route name is PBX1 to PBX2. And choose the trunk we set it before. Second is dial pattern. Prefix we give 1, and match pattern we give 3x. We can see the rules. X means match any digital from 0 to 9, and we extension number is 100 and 200, so we give 3x, and then we submit and apply. The second one is PBX2 to PBX1 trunk, and this prefix we give 2 and match pattern 3x. Okay, submit and then apply. Our configuration of FreePBX is complete. Now we'll open a Ubuntu virtual machine. And log in. Okay, we'll open the driver and give the account we created before, 180, add the IP address. And the password. Okay, register. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, it's done. And we go to the second one. To register. Okay, the last step I will demonstrate a working conversation. First, we call the second one directory.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
It can connect. And the second, we add the prefix with the extension number. And we go to the second one. Yeah, it's connected, and we can answer it. It's from the first one. The name is FreePBX1. And we hang off and call it back. Use our prefix with the extension number. we go to the first one. Okay, the name is FreePBX2, and we answer it. Hit accept, and we hang up. Okay, as we can see, the working conversation have been successful, and the last is a brief summary. First is on chunks. Is outbound code ID. Identified behavior can result when nothing is satisfied. The CID option can control when this CID is used. And the second one is on outbound routes. The dial patterns. The dialed number will be compared agent. The prefix add this match pattern. Upon a match, the match pattern portion of the dialed number will be sent to the chunks and remove the prefix, so the PBX can dial the number correctly. If you don't configure an extension like access code, the PBX may not recognize the number sent. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thanks for your watching.